We're mainly going to focus on how you can use technology in peer-to-peer education. And even though that could have quite a limited scope, there is still quite a lot of versatility. There's a lot that you can use to create a good use of technology in medical education. So you can, both students and teachers can utilize technology before, during and after an event. That's just a snapshot of what you can use. And you can use them in basically any teaching environment. So if it's lectures, clinical skills, placements or exams, technology can be used anywhere. But does anyone know why tech in education has become so versatile in the last few years? Why has all of this become available to us? Does anyone have an idea? It's cheaper, yeah. But I'm thinking of one thing that almost everybody owns.
Well, since tech is used in the profession, it should also be taught in the education.
Yeah, yeah. Everyone has a smartphone, yeah. So this is the main reason why tech has become so versatile in medical education. And it's mainly because of the screen. It's blank, it's got no buttons apart from this one. And this means that essentially what you've got is a control interface which is completely malleable. You can adjust it to whatever situation you want. So you can create a symphony on the same device that you watch Love Island on. It's quite wonderful. But it also means that you can learn about the cardiovascular system on the same device that you've got a 3D model of the body on. So that's an example of how versatile everything's become, and also the fact that everyone does have a smartphone. It means that the potential for interactivity between the teacher and student is so much greater. But remember that even though it is so versatile, tech is just a tool, and it's one that will only be utilised well. Well, it will only benefit the student if it's utilised well. So take these two examples. Which one of these two examples do you think would lead to the better retention of knowledge? What makes a good use of technology in teaching? And the answer to that is really what makes a good teaching session. Because if your use of technology serves to improve or enhance the elements that make a good teaching session, then you've created a good use of technology. And that's the key thing, enhancement. Technology isn't there to replace something, which was mentioned in the first lecture. It is there to enhance something. You can't replicate the interactivity that you can get from a lecturer standing on a computer screen, and you can't replicate the tangibility of being taught with a cadaver, sort of feeling the difference between an artery and a vein, with a hologram. So tech is there to enhance what is already there.